Hi, my name is Jessica, and alongside Duncan, we have created the Pokedex tracker. Our reasons for creating this app were that we were looking for a service that would be able to both keep track of the Pokemon we're catching, but across several Pokemon games. So this website serves as a way to allow users to select which kind of games that they own and keep track of which Pokemon they have caught between the Pokemon you can catch between all those games. So to begin with, we will start by setting up an account on our website. This is hosted by Firebase, and Duncan here will create a fake account really quick. Yeah. After you create an account, you'll be redirected to a profile page that will display your email. You can enter in a display name, and it can show your Pokédex completion. So, yeah.
And now we're going to move on over to the actual Pokédex. So we're going to load up the Pokédex, and we'll see that all the Pokemon are gray because we currently haven't marked any of them as registered. So we can just pull up any old Pokemon like Bulbasaur, and it will pull up the stats of the Pokemon, all sorts of information, including like where you can counter it, and we can filter that information by game. So like in Pokemon Yellow, we can find Bulbasaur as a gift Pokemon in Cerulean City, and we can see that the Pokemon can learn all these moves. We can also see how it evolves and when it evolves, and to what Pokemons it evolves. And if we get it in the game, we can mark it in our Pokédex as achieved by clicking the Add to Dex button. And we can see over here on the side, it is marked. All these stats and stuff are pulled from an external API, so all of them are updated as they are. And we can go to any Pokemon in our dex. It has all the Pokemon from all the generations, these very large scrollable lists, and it contains all sorts of information about how to evolve Pokemon, such as when they're by trade or other features. If they don't appear in certain games, they won't have any encounters. But if we were to go mark it on a game that it appeared in, we can see that it would have for the encounters. And now if we go back to our profile, we can see that it has updated our completion percent. Now we can go look at the traits. So over here, other users can post trade requests, and we can scroll through this list of trade requests. And over here, we can create a new trade request. So let's say we're looking for a Meowth. So we need to know the Pokemon ID, but we can look at the Pokédex itself to see that. And we can enter a description for what our trade is. So I really want a Meowth. Please and thanks. Now we can create it, and it will appear in the list. Since we are the author of this one, it will say our name here, and then it will say that we can edit it if we need to. Put some exclamation marks in, or we can delete it if we wanted to delete it. It will ask us if we're sure we want to delete it. Yeah. So that's all the information there. It uses multiple entries, one for storing all the Pokemon we created and our username, so all the stuff relating to our profile, and then one for trades, and it uses cross to get the name there. One of our special features is on the Pokédex page for a specific Pokemon. The whole page isn't scrollable, but these subsections are. And we also used customized scroll bars so as to not mess with the grid layouts, such that they would be appealing and consistent among all browsers, and that they would not change how the grids would line up, as that was a problem with some grids we had, such that earlier it could go over top of, say, Charizard and the Venusaur column here. But yeah, with the custom scroll bars, they show up properly. So yeah, that's our app. It's a Pokédex tracker. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using our app.